Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, stop laughing. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey guys, it's your boy Alex Jeet here with another bike review. Now this time, I'm bringing you a review on. Hey, can you stop? On the Magna Great Divide. Kind of a weird mountain bike, and got a 7-speed transmission, a really nice 7-speed transmission, and the transmission's done by Dower. It's got a rebound suspension. It's really nice. Can you give it a little hop for us? Yeah, see? Really nice suspension. Of course, you have the beautiful pedals. You got some really nice brakes. As you can see, I could get them in real tight. Real nice brakes. And very nice shade of blue. A lot nicer than my bike's stupid shade of blue. It's a very stupid blue. Yeah, this was a pretty good review, non-promotional by the way, on the Magna Great Divide, mountain, whatever. This is my brother's cousin's sister's dog's lover. Yeah, I know him from like, we're friends way back in '69. Yeah, so that was a good non-promotional video. I'll see you guys next time.